Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the best AI code generators. These powerful tools leverage artificial intelligence to help developers write code faster and more efficiently. They are designed to understand context, suggest completions, and even identify potential errors. By automating many routine tasks, AI code generators can boost productivity by as much as 30%, allowing developers to focus on more complex and creative problem solving. They truly act as a valuable coding partner. GitHub Copilot is a leading AI pair programmer, offering intelligent code suggestions as you type. It can complete single lines or even entire functions, drawing context from your open files and project. With Copilot Chat, you can ask questions, request explanations, or specify code changes using conversational prompts. Its advanced agents can even create pull requests for you to review, streamlining your development workflow and saving valuable time. Tabnine stands out for its deep learning capabilities, which allow it to adapt to your personal coding style and project context. It delivers highly accurate and fast code suggestions across a wide array of programming languages. A key advantage is its focus on privacy, with options for local model deployment to keep your code secure. Tabnine integrates smoothly into popular development environments, enhancing efficiency and maintaining consistency across your codebase, with up to 90% suggestion acceptance rates. Amazon Code Whisperer is an excellent choice for developers working within the AWS ecosystem, providing specialized guidance and optimized suggestions for cloud-native applications. Beyond these, tools like Pieces for developers offer extensive feature sets for snippet management and real-time issue fixing. JetBrains AI Assistant provides deep integration within its suite of IDEs. Ultimately, the best AI code generator for you will depend on your specific development needs, preferred programming languages, and the environments you work in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.